Richard and this is my dad.
Hi, so today Richard is going to show us how to make a chocolate angel cake.
So the ingredients we need is 12 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, vanilla extract, some lemon, a pinch of salt, and
Quarter cup of cocoa. So
And-
it's chocolate angel cake with berries. So we're going to separate white and the yolk.
okay. Show you guys a trick that you guys can do if you guys are struggling with that strategy. So we're gonna take a water bottle. You need to squeeze the water bubble. Put it on the egg and just let go. Voila. And you're gonna put it in there. So we got all our egg white and we have some sugar. And you want to put the sugar slowly by slowly.
Little by little.
So how you check if it's ready is, you just flip it upside down.
So we're gonna add some other eggs there. Little bit. It's done. Yolks. See?
So we're gonna be adding the lemon juice by folding it in.
Now we're gonna.
Oh, I'm sifting our cocoa powder and our flour. We did it this is our 3rd time. I'm gonna fold it in. Just like that.
Orange juice and berry. Cake ready. It's a very simple cake. There's no fat, just very low in calories, and enjoy again. Thank you. If you want, you can add some cream, caramel, chocolate syrup, and the berries.